With just a few simple steps, your can frosting can be transformed into a delicious addition to your cakes and cupcakes. The lovely fluffy texture will give it a taste and texture that is similar to homemade. No one will notice that your frosting actually came from a can. This easy hack will save you time in the kitchen. Not only will you love how simple it is, but you will love how good the results are. How to make can frosting fluffier. For this hack, you can use any can frosting you want. There are many great flavors such as chocolate, vanilla buttercream, and cream cheese. If you are wanting to use food coloring to make different colors, vanilla buttercream is your best option. There are two simple ways you can make your can frosting fluffier. Both are simple and will produce wonderful results. Whip the frosting. Beat 1 can 1 medium-high speed for 30 seconds to 1 minute, until it reaches your desired consistency. By beating the frosting, you are incorporating more air into it. Not only does this give the frosting a fluffier texture, but the addition of air increases the volume. This allows you to frost more cupcakes, as you have expanded the amount of your frosting. On its own, canned frosting is often very sweet. If the frosting is too sweet for your liking, you can add a pinch of salt. How to store the store-bought frosting. Baked goods topped with frosting can be kept at room temperature in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days. Any leftover canned frosting can last in the fridge for up to 4 weeks in an airtight container. Whipped topping in this frosting will need to be kept in the fridge when not serving for 2 to 4 days. You may need to re-whip leftover frosting when you are ready to use it. Add whipped topping to make store-bought frosting better. If you are using frozen whipped topping, allow it to defrost before using. Once ready, add 1 16-ounce can of frosting and 16 ounces of whipped topping to a mixing bowl. Beat together the whipped topping and frosting on medium-high speed for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once the frosting has reached your desired consistency, you can add it to your baked goods. The addition of the air being incorporated in, and the whipped topping will give you more frosting to work with. If you need more frosting, simply double the recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.